Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to start with one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts because they know it works, but you guys are beginners. I'm just trying to start you out and show you guys that this can work and how well it's working with just one account. Alright guys? So anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, so first off, before we start here, I want to speak on why I like personally promoting the $25 business, and essentially the main reason because of its affiliate system, which is 80%. And not only 80%, it's 80% recurring. That means you get paid every month 80% of the income of the people you get in the system. Okay guys, which is the absolute highest I have ever heard in my life. All right, so what we're gonna do now guys is that we're going to look at my results here. I'm going to refresh the page real quick. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Alright, not a big deal. We're just going to keep it moving. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is get you guys these affiliate links here that you can use to sell. So the first thing we're gonna do is get you guys these affiliate links, and you just got to go to my video description here. So that's what we're gonna go here real quick. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it is. Click on the description, open it up a little bit. You're gonna see step 1 and step 2. We're gonna click on step 1. That should take you to this page here. Now, this page is just talking about the $25 business, how much money you can make, all that good stuff. You decide you want to try it out, right? So you get in and you just put in all your information here. Put in all your information. Also get this as well, which is HBA Premium. If you really want to elevate the amount of money you can make. For example, see, this is free for 14 days and then $125 a month. The reason why you want to get this stuff is because you only get income if you own the product. All right guys, if you have the product, you can make income from it. That's really what it is. And that's every funnel builder. This is a funnel builder, by the way, a very solid funnel builder actually. And yeah, you can get income from it. So anyway, that's all it is to that guys. Once you sign in, all that stuff, you're gonna go through some flip. I can't really show you because I'm already in the system, but you're gonna make your account and all that, and then eventually you're gonna get to a paid a little something like this once you sign in and stuff. And once you get to a paid a little something like this, you want to go to the affiliate zone. Once you get on the affiliate zone here, by the way, videos explaining all of this, I'm just kind of speed running through it. Once you get to the affiliate zone here, you want to click on sign up for the affiliate program. It's going to take you to a page or something like this. You put in very basic information and sign in, and then you log into your sound card there guys. That's going to take you to this page here. Now the affiliate link that I personally use is this one right here. This one is the one that I like to use. Right guys, I just want to show you guys that for a minute. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. Once you do that guys, you're gonna come back to here. Once you got your link, now you need to promote it, right? So we got step 2 is My Lead Gen Secrets, the program I was talking about earlier. And once you click on this, it's gonna take you to this page here. Now let me explain exactly what My Lead Gen Secrets is that you get leads every day. You get 100 leads every single day that you can email once per day. All right guys, so for example, if you make an account right now, you'll get 100 leads, and tomorrow you'll have 200 leads, so on and so forth. But you can email them every single day. You can't spam them with emails. That's why they got a limit on how many times you can email them, because you know people don't want to. Do you want to be spammed with emails? Once a day is fine. That's not annoying, but you know, multiple times per day, that would annoy you. So anyway, we're gonna log in here. My account. Make your account guys. A very simple process, very easy to do. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna come in, we're gonna go to the mailing system. By the way, you can check your leads out. You can buy master email slice if you want to. I'm just gonna use a lead for myself here. We're gonna click on 100 leads here. We're gonna click on all that, and we're just gonna go with the next email on the list here. For a week and the money keeps climbing. That's the one we're gonna use next. Now you can pause the video and copy these, by the way. Just do that. So blah 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 blah. Whatever. So I'm just gonna show you guys the email so you can pause and copy it, guys. So anyway, pause and copy right there. Pause and copy right there. Files and copy right there. Boom. That's all it is. All right, guys. And you put your link right here, whatever link you want to use. And you can put like sincerely your name or whatever. I got a picture in mind just to make it a little bit more special. And you want to make sure you hit perfect timing. They'll send the email around time people check the emails. Make sure to preview your email and make sure your link works, guys. I don't need to do that since I'm uploading the old email I already on sent. So I just send an email and I'm done. That's all it takes. Very easy, very simple process, guys. That's all it is. All right, guys. So like I stated before, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.